Alright, so I made the case bigger so I could fit a regular Raspberry Pi. I'm still waiting on it. Pretty much the new Raspberry Pi will be able to play more games. This one can only play NES like Nintendo games. I want to play some other games. So let's see what we have here. We have the 5000 mAh battery. They had the what is it called? powerboost 1000. We have a speaker connected to the Adafruit Joy Bonnet or whatever it's called. All the buttons are plugged in. The power button is still there. I couldn't get rid of the HDMI cable, so I'm just gonna use another screen that I have because I hate that cable. But if everything is done as I planned, it should the battery should power up the monitor and the Raspberry Pi. Oh no, I don't know if it's doing it. Oh yeah, it's doing it. So you see the power boost. Oh no, damn it, did it work? Oh yeah, it did work. The power boost regulates the power so it gives enough power for both of them. So I'm gonna close it up a little bit. So it seemed like the got everything working except the cable. I couldn't get the video to come out through that cable, the RCA cable, or the so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a different screen.